My amazing holiday adventure. Holidays are the most exciting time of the year for kids like me. This year's holiday was extra special because it was filled with incredible adventures and unforgettable moments. From visiting new places to trying delicious treats, my holiday was a roller coaster of fun and joy. The journey began with a thrilling road trip to the mountains. The air was crisp, and the scenery was breathtaking. As we drove higher and higher, I felt like I was entering a magical land of snow-capped peaks and tall pine trees. The first day was all about building snowmen and having epic snowball fights with my family. We laughed until our cheeks turned rosy, and I couldn't have asked for a better start to my holiday. The next adventure took me to the beach, where the sun kissed the sand and the waves whispered secrets. Building sand castles and collecting seashells became my daily routine. I even discovered a mysterious underwater world while snorkeling, where colorful fish danced around me like living rainbows. Each day was a new chapter of excitement, and I soaked in every moment of the sun, sea, and sand. One of the highlights of my holiday was a visit to the amusement park. The rides were exhilarating, and I felt like I could touch the sky as I soared on the Ferris wheel. The carousel twirled with bright lights and cheerful music, making me feel like I was in a magical wonderland. The cotton candy was so fluffy and sweet that it melted in my mouth, leaving me with a sugar rush that fueled my laughter and energy throughout the day. But the holiday wasn't just about travel and adventures. It was also a time to relax and enjoy cozy moments at home. Snuggling up with a warm blanket and a cup of hot cocoa became my favorite evening ritual. I spent hours reading books and watching movies, letting my imagination run wild in the comfort of my own space. As my holiday came to an end, I couldn't help but feel grateful for the incredible experiences and memories I had created. Whether it was playing in the snow, building sandcastles, or riding roller coasters, each moment was a treasure that I would cherish forever. The holiday taught me the importance of laughter, exploration, and appreciating the simple joys of life. I can't wait for the next holiday adventure, where new experiences and exciting discoveries await.